Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Microsoft Word back to English. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. I'll say, for example, you have mistakenly changed all the languages right here, including the layout and all of these sentences right here under your Microsoft Word. Okay. Don't worry. To fix that, okay, just follow along. All right. So what you're going to do is just go ahead over to the top left, click on this first option. Okay. Just follow along. Click on the first option. Now go ahead and go to the bottom left. Click on the last option. Okay, this one. Click on it, and once done, in this window, just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that will be a language. So just click on it and just make sure that you click on an English option. Okay, click on English. And then once done, go to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on Set as Preferred. And then once done, go ahead and click on OK right here at the very bottom. The first option, okay? Click on this option. Click on OK. Now click on OK right here. Now once that's done, if it hasn't changed yet, you can go ahead and close Microsoft Word, reopen it once more, and after that, you should be good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.